You're scrolling through your phone, eyeing that sweet online deal, or maybe you're planning a trip abroad, and you think, wouldn't it be awesome if I could use GrabPay everywhere? You're already loving the convenience, the rewards, and the seamless integration with your everyday life. But then that nagging question hits you: where exactly can I use this GrabPay card? It's a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. We're living in a globalized world, and knowing the boundaries of our digital wallets is crucial. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of GrabPay card usage. First, let's clarify what we're talking about. GrabPay, as you know, is a digital wallet and payment platform that's become a staple in Southeast Asia. The GrabPay card, often tied to a MasterCard network, expands its functionality, allowing for transactions beyond the Grab ecosystem. Now, here's the key: the GrabPay card's reach largely depends on the underlying network it's associated with, typically MasterCard. This means, in theory, you should be able to use your GrabPay card anywhere MasterCard is accepted. That's a huge global footprint. But, and this is a big but, there are nuances. While MasterCard's global acceptance is vast, the actual functionality of your GrabPay card can be limited by regional restrictions and specific Grab policies. Primarily, GrabPay's core functionality and its associated card are designed for use within Southeast Asia. Think Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar. These are the heartlands of Grab's operations. However, the MasterCard network allows for international transactions. So, if your card has international transaction enabled, you might be able to use it outside Southeast Asia. But don't expect the full suite of GrabPay features or rewards to follow you everywhere. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Certain online merchants that accept MasterCard will likely process your GrabPay card. This opens up possibilities for international online shopping and subscription services. But physical point-of-sale terminals outside Southeast Asia might be a different story. Grab also often implements security measures to prevent fraud, which could include restrictions on transactions in certain regions or for specific types of purchases. Always double-check with Grab's official support or their in-app information to confirm the latest policies. Furthermore, currency conversion fees and potential foreign transaction charges can apply when using your GrabPay card outside its primary region. These fees can vary, and it's essential to be aware of them to avoid any unexpected costs. In essence, while the GrabPay card leverages the global reach of MasterCard, its practical usage is heavily tied to Southeast Asia. Think of it as a superpowered local card that might work internationally, but with limitations. Therefore, for international travel or extensive global transactions, it's always wise to have a backup payment method. Relying solely on your GrabPay card outside Southeast Asia could lead to unexpected issues. So, GrabPay cards are primarily designed for use in Southeast Asia. While they might work internationally thanks to the MasterCard network, expect limitations, potential fees, and always double-check with Grab for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.